Hello there, my name is Ivan Luz, and in this video I'm gonna show you another cool feature from Python called the list unpacking. For this example, what I'm gonna do here, as you can see, we have three lists containing a couple of strings. Each of these the lists contains some names, and the final result that we want to achieve here is to have a single list that will contain the contents of all of these three lists in a single variable. So probably the initial approach that some people would do would be to create a new list here, like all names, and then we could have all names dot extend, and then we could add our other list here. So we can do that a couple of times here, like adding more names, and finally we can do the even more names variable. And now if we print the contents of this list, we should have a single list which will contain the contents of all of them. So this is pretty straightforward. This is better than a naive approach, which could be iterating over each of these lists and then appending to the final list here. But there's an even simpler way that you can achieve that, and to do so, what you can do, so notice that I have 4 lines here to achieve this result, but you could have something like this here. So what you're gonna do, we're going to delete the previous lines, and then we are going to use the unpack constructor. So we are going to use a star here, and then have star names, star more names, and also star even more names. So what this operator does here, it's unpacking the values of the list. So let's run this so you can see the result. So if we run here, you see the exactly same result, while if we don't use the unpack operator here, so let's say that we had something like this here. I'm gonna comment this line so you can see this better, but let's say that we just naively appended the lists themselves. So in this case, what we would have here would be a list of lists. So you can see that we have our outer list, and then inside that we have the inner lists that are going to contain the contents of each of the lists that we added to this. So again, if you want to comment this and comment the other and run this again, you can see that what Python did was to unpack the contents of the list and then just include that in the new list that we created. So instead of having 4 lines to do this, now I have just a single one, which is really cool. So that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed that, and I hope that it helps you to make your code cleaner. Have a good one.